I'm gonna show you how to make this banner. This is cute. It's cute, boo. So if you wanna know how you can make this banner and 2 other crafts for your 4th of July cookout party, keep on watching. So today is Try It Out Tuesday, but we're going to be trying out, but we're not going to be trying out because I don't really have a link to any of the stuff that I did, but I will link some more ideas down below of what you can do for your 4th of July parties. So with that being said, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 separate crafts that you can do for any 4th of July cookout, pool party, whatever you're going to be hosting. These are going to be perfect for it, okay? Snaps fingers twice. That was more than twice. Very inexpensive. You guys know I always love to do inexpensive crafts. Everything is literally from the Dollar Tree, except for the mason jars that I used and the twine. Of course, I've used that twine in I don't know how many videos, but it is lasting me, guys. Lasting me. So I hope you guys enjoy these 3 quick, easy, simple DIYs, and let's get started. So the materials you're going to need for this project are a decorative bow, one 11 by 14 picture frame, craft paper, and banner template. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out our templates. I will have this template linked down below, and then we are going to trace it onto our craft paper. Now I'm going to take my iron and I'm going to make sure each piece is nice and flat. So now we're going to use our decorative bow to decorate. I did not see any patriotic burlap ribbon, so I just used the decorative bow instead. Now we're going to take our twine and we're going to kind of measure out how long we need our piece to be, and then we are going to add each banner piece to it. Okay, so for our next craft, we're going to take our picture frame and we're just going to start to remove the prongs in the back. All right, so now I'm just going to be tracing the picture frame out onto this harder cardboard. Now, I used this picture frame in a previous project, so I did not have the glass or the backing, but if you buy this, you can totally just use the glass or the backing. But if you don't and you've used this for a previous project like I did, you can always just get a harder cardboard to use as the back. So now we're just going to take some more of the ribbon and we are going to glue it around the frame. I'm going to take my twine and I'm going to add it to the inside of the frame and also the outside. All right, so now I'm going to take my cardboard cutout and I am going to trace it onto our craft paper. Now I'm going to take some spray adhesive and I am going to spray it onto the cardboard so that we can add our craft paper on top. Okay, so now on to our third craft. So I've already added the twine to the top and now I'm just going to add the extra ribbon that I have to the middle of the mason jar. Now I'm just going to create a little label so that we can add the word utensils to our mason jar. Okay, so now with the little sign we made, I'm going to turn it into a menu sign. You can do a menu sign, you can do a drink menu, whatever you want to do. I just decided to do like a little menu sign, build your own burgers. Now, if you have a really good penmanship, this can look way better, but I had to make do with my little handwriting, and this is what I came up with. All right, so now I'm going to take another little piece of the cardboard and I'm just going to add it to the back since I don't have the little frame back piece, so I just had to create one, and then we're just going to decorate it to make it cohesive with the rest of the piece. Tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.